Battery 81%. Forgot how heavy this bike is. Quick one. What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the Riding Boot channel. This be your host. I'm out here on a little night ride. You can't even see my headlights here. But yeah, I'm out here. Quick little ride. Kind of cold today, wasn't that bad, so I figured it's a good time for me to check out these headlights. Recently replaced the headlights on the Stealth Bomber, the Enduro downhill Stealth Bomber, and I haven't had a chance to check it out yet, so I figured it was a good time to check it out, see if I like it, see if I needed to get another set or what have you. Well, they're pretty bright. I don't know if they're as bright as the ones that I had on here. Let me see. Yeah, the high beam shoot pretty far out, but I don't know, but they're pretty bright though. So far, it's kind of cold out here. Ooh, it says 47 degrees, but I don't know. But anyway, I like to try out this headlight. It's a pit bike. It's for an enduro pit bike, mini bike. What have you. The reason why I elected this one is because it got the indicators on here. It got the indicators on here, and I figured the taillight have built-on indicators, so trying to keep everything uniform. So this headlight is equipped with a high beam, low beam, DRL, and also signals. As well as my tail light is equipped with the same thing, except for it's a stoplight, DRL, and indicators on the back. I'm also checking out this 360 camera I got. Yeah, see, I'm trying to see if I can get some cool footage. I got both cameras on, but I know, well, this street is not that dark, so I might get something behind me. I might get some, you know. But yeah, it's kind of cold. I'm starting to feel it on the hands or whatever. Let me see if indicate. Well, yeah, I can see them from here. Yeah, they're indicating. Yeah, today was pretty nice. Today was 50 degrees. I got this, what you call it, in the way, so I can't just reach my, I gotta reach my finger around. Actually gotta reach my finger around it. I haven't rode this bike in a little while. I just felt the tire hit that crease on the road. I tried to change out my... Yeah, see the headlight. I don't know if y'all can see that, but got the headlight on now. The high beam. Yeah, the high beam I meant to say. The high beam. You see it on the stoplight up there, on the stop sign. You can see it on the stop sign. Okay. It's pretty bright, but it doesn't... Maybe because I had the blue film on the other headlight, so you could see when, you know, you could see that blue on the road. You could see that it's actually on. This right here is just showing up as pretty much white. So far these headlights are pretty bright. I got no real complaints. I didn't get on a real dark street yet. I should probably roll through Wilson Woods, see what's going on, see what do they do over there. Kind of cold though. I should have went down Lincoln and then came around through Wilson Woods, but I'll do like a 6 months through. Once it get warm, I'll do another one. Well, yeah, and that's when I really find out when it's like really warm out and I'm riding the bike more at nights or whatever. But now I pretty much pulled the bike out just to do this. Where's my battery at? 79%. 79%, so I basically went through like 10% battery already. Man, when you get up to about 20 miles an hour, you really feel this wind pick up. Ooh. I lost my other gloves. They was winter gloves. These right here, man, they're not terrible, but I gotta order some better gloves if I'm gonna be doing any type of riding in any type of weather under 50 miles an hour. Let's go back around. This street right here is pretty well lit. Careful. Yeah, this street right here is pretty well lit. And, I don't know, tomorrow gonna be nice. Tomorrow's gonna be nice too. Tomorrow gonna be in the 50s. Okay, yeah, it's pretty dark. I don't know if these are bright as the other ones. Yeah, I don't know if these are bright as I don't know if these are bright as the other headlights, y'all. Man, let's let me see what these. Yeah, no, I don't think they are. Man, this thing jumps. All right. I'm just trying to gauge it. It's pretty bright. It's not bad, but I don't know. I come back here to see how bright my headlights. Let's see. This is what the signals look like. Yeah, this thing is in the way big time. The signal's not bad. The signal light is not bad. I could see. I could already tell. I could see that from about 40 feet away right now. I don't know how it's gonna show up on camera, but it's not bad. The signal's not bad at all. I could live with the signals, but the headlight. I don't think the headlight is that bright. Yeah. I don't think the headlight is that bright at all. I already know the rear signal is good. Like I said, I don't know how it's going to show up on the camera, but signal. I could tell, I could see that from 100 feet away with the naked eye, but it's showing up. I gotta see how it shows up on the camera, but with the naked eye I could tell, I could see it from a good distance. Battery 81%. Forgot how heavy this bike is. Alright, y'all, just wanted to do a quick ride, check these headlights out, see if they was worth it. So far, I don't know, they're not bad, but my other headlights, whoa, I want to say much brighter actually. With a high beam, I want to see what's up. I'm gonna live with it for a little while, see if I find something else. And, I actually have another headlight upstairs, but it's like one of those 6-inch headlights. I don't know if it's a 7-inch headlight. You know. Let's see what's up. Yeah, it's not that bad out here, but on the bike it's like, oh, what the hell? My favorite part of the ride, y'all. Yeah. Ah. Oh yeah. Back at the lab.